Got on video. There's a helicopter passing by. Wow, that truck almost took it out.
It's gonna go up 25 now.
Let's see how long it'll take for us to catch up to it.
Oh, we gotta catch this light first.
We're losing it behind this dang truck. Lost it. There's a dang truck in the way.
More than just a truck. Tons of things in the way.
Oh, where'd it go? I was gonna do like a little cat and mice thing with the helicopter. That thing disappeared instantly.
They resurfaced the street.
Yeah, I noticed that. Okay, if you find a helicopter, I'll let you guys know.
Wires are?
All the way down there.
Yep, just to the left of that tower.
Oh, I see. It's that little dot.
Come on, my turn.
This thing, I can't see it on the. I can't see it with my own eyes. Oh, I see a little dot. But yeah, that's the helicopter. Way in the distance.
It's the traffic chopper.
Oh, and okay, it's getting fuzzy, so I can't even zoom in that far. We'll see again when we get over this hill. Okay, I think we lost track of the helicopter. I thought it'd be good for you guys, but I guess not.
Let's find some wreck.
Yeah, it finds a wreck. Oh yeah, I guess it'll be like circling around the wreck, but I don't think we'll find it at this point. Should I just keep the camera going in case we find it again, or maybe not?
You can always come back later.
Okay. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, because I know that the audience retention is not going to make it past this point. Anyway, peace out, guys. Yeah, good day for a drive, right? Yeah, definitely not going past a highway. That would be not good.
This is no shortcut. Why they would
That's
have us
what the
go this
GPS
way.
said. I hope that's quiet enough to one. I hope that thing is quiet. I'm gonna see a red exclamation point saying copyright. Copyright claim. I'm gonna wait till we get to the roundabout.
So there wasn't anybody famous that was my member.
I think they can still hear you.
Turn right.
Shut up, Siri. highly doubt anyone's gonna sit through this bit. I part did the outro, and then decided to do this for an end screen, but no, I thought it would be shorter than that.
And this is where people screw up for the roundabout because they don't know which way to go. They gotta put 49 cones up. Which way to go? Which way to go? You know, oh well. Just
Imagine some stupid person sees this and thinking, "Oh, are we doing bowling?" Yes, just right in there and wait until the police cars get you. That's how you win. Okay, we made it to the store. Walmart.
okay. I can't even swear at it.
So these cars are all the bowling balls.
Yeah. This is the ball going through.
Okay, if I know we were going to go to Walmart, I would have brought the gift card to GameStop down there. Next time. Next time. Okay, I'm going to stop it here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you sat through this. Please sure to like, comment, subscribe. Help me get to 500 by the end of October. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.